and then just
hold on, man, what's really going on? And when I'm coming, 100 miles they running. Keep back, I ain't got it like that. All out here, I'm going all out. Hold on, man, what's really going on? And when I'm coming, 100 miles they running. Keep back, I ain't got it like that.
Here we go again, herb smoke blowing in the wind. Cops chasing, wanna throw him in the pen. And the day he lead the game, y'all, he going in the bins. On them 24s, looking like he rolling on the rims all day. Now I'm saying, I'm staying up the parlaying. What y'all hating, I'm splitting the cigar, man, it's Nathan. All you do is aim and start spraying, cause tonight's the night, and me and my niggas ain't playing. Y'all done did it now, another critic hit the cal. A lot of niggas mad cause I ain't fold like they pick it now. Let me pull my fitted down. Spit around, listen, when they hit the ground, y'all gon' hear the difference now. Here I got that lyrical, sickest individual, flow that's so original. See, this is what they meant to do.